have had powerful experiences, moments of stillness, moments of unity, moments when the mind became quiet and everything seemed clear. You thought, this is it. Then the experience faded. The clarity seems distant again. So the search continued. Here's the problem. You're waiting for an experience to confirm what is already true. You expect certainty to arrive through a state, a feeling, or a breakthrough. Yet every experience comes and goes. What comes and goes cannot confirm what does not. This may challenge one of the deepest assumptions in spiritual practice. If this speaks to you, like the video, subscribe, tap the bell, and leave a comment about what you notice. Welcome. This is Richard Clarke. Today, we will look at there is no experience that will confirm this. Every experience appears and disappears. The self does not appear. The self is what knows appearance. Many practitioners carry an unspoken assumption that realization will arrive through a special experience. It may appear as a profound silence, a feeling of unity, a burst of clarity, or an overwhelming sense of peace. Such experiences can be valuable. They can reveal important truths and encourage further inquiry. Yet every experience, no matter how profound, shares the same characteristic. It begins and ends. If it comes, it will go. The mind often treats these experiences as evidence. It remembers them and measures present experience against them. A subtle search begins. You find yourself asking how to recover a past state or how to reach a new and deeper one. In this way, spiritual practice can become a search for confirmation through experience. The difficulty is that every experience is known. Every state is known. Every insight is known. The question worth asking is not what is known, but what knows it. The self is not another experience waiting to occur. It is not hidden behind the next breakthrough. It is the ever-present reality in which all experiences arise and disappear. You cannot experience the self as an object. You can only recognize that every experience depends on it. Awareness does not arrive during special moments and disappear during ordinary ones. It is present before every experience, during every experience, and after every experience. No experience can confirm it because awareness is the very condition that makes experiences possible. This teaching often challenges sincere practitioners who feel stuck. Many are waiting for a final experience that will settle all doubt. They are waiting for certainty, permanence, or a state that never fades. Yet, what if no experience can accomplish that? What if the search for confirmation is itself the obstacle? Notice the assumption hidden within the search. You believe future experience will provide proof that realization has occurred. But who is waiting for that proof? And what exactly would be confirmed? Awareness is already present. It does not require evidence from an experience that appears and disappears. The mind prefers experiences because they feel tangible and memorial. They seem easier to trust than simple awareness. Yet every remembered experience belongs to the past. The self is never found in the past. It is present now. The search for confirmation keeps attention directed towards a future event. Recognition happens here in this moment. It is not produced through achievement, accumulation, or attainment. It is the clear seeing of what has never been absent. This can disappoint you. You want something dramatic. You want certainty through experience. Yet awareness is far simpler. It has been present throughout the entire search. It was present before seeking began, and it remains after seeking ends. Here is an inquiry. Sit quietly and allow experience to be exactly as it is. Do not improve it. Do not wait for something special to happen. Notice sound, notice sensations, notice thoughts. Watch them arise and pass away. Then ask directly, what experience am I still waiting for? If that experience arrived today, how long would it last? Look carefully. Can any experience confirm what is already present? Rest as that which knows experience rather than what is experienced. The next experience is not the answer. The next insight is not the answer. The next breakthrough is not the answer. Experiences come and go. Awareness remains. Stop looking for confirmation in what changes. Notice what is present before every experience, during every experience, and after every experience. That quiet present does not need proof. It does not need validation. It does not need confirmation. Live is clarity. Speak from direct seeing. Do not push, do not hide, do not claim anything, do not deny anything. Let those who are ready come close. The journey doesn't end, it deepens.